How long are shorts on YouTube?
3 minutes.
Wait, what? Why?
Could this be a big chance to go viral? If you're struggling with the views count for every video you post on YouTube and are also wondering if shorts might be your savior, no more headaches for you because starting from October 15th, you can do both. Yes, this is the best time to start a YouTube channel, since you can combine both the shorts and the longer form. Also, this could become a mainstream income for you if you thoroughly understand this update. As Jeremy Gutschall, a New York Times best-selling author, has said, you need to go where the opportunity will be next, not where it is. So what is this change, and why is it so big?
That's what she said.
In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this change and how to utilize the best out of it.
Let's do it.
YouTube Shorts is really reaching a major milestone by extending the video length to 3 minutes. Yes, let me emphasize that again, 3 minutes, or 180 seconds. This is truly a groundbreaking and exciting change from this media giant. Pretty awesome, right? That means you have more space to show off your creativity, share valuable insights, and tell bigger stories, all in a fun, quick format. Whether you're a creator looking to express yourself or a brand wanting to connect with your audience, this is a game changer. Starting October 15th, 2024, any new uploads with a square or vertical aspect ratio in a maximum length of 3 minutes will be classified as YouTube Shorts. This is an incredible opportunity for creators to cash in on their content and try out fresh strategies to grow their YouTube channels. The change will make storytelling on Shorts more immersive. Todd Sherman, Director of Product Management for YouTube Shorts, wrote in a blog post, "This was a top requested feature by creators, so we're excited to give you more flexibility to tell your story." So if you're as pumped about this update as I am, drop a comment below, and don't forget to follow us for more updates on storytelling on Shorts in our upcoming videos. I can't wait to share more tips and tricks with you. Storytelling can really grab your audience's attention and keep them engaged, even with all the content out there. As they say, strike while the iron is hot. This is your chance to seize the moment and make a real impact. YouTube is rolling out several new tools, including the ability to use templates. This handy feature lets you easily remix and recreate trending videos by simply tapping Use Template. Plus, you can use it right on your phone, making it super easy for creators to jump on trends and add their personal flair to popular content right from your pocket. Can you guess what the big highlight of this breakthrough is? Bingo, you got it. It's the perfect partnership with Google DeepMind's VO. This will inspire more people to bring their ideas to life in vivid, transformative ways. Making videos with Google DeepMind's VO is really going to shake things up. This powerful tool that is already included in the app will let you enhance your shorts with stunning backgrounds and standalone clips. This can be done just by entering a single prompt or by a stunning picture alone. And for many, this is expected to be one of the biggest in the AI video generation in the near future. Another super cool update rolling out soon is a new Shorts Trends page. It's going to help you keep up with all the viral content. Check out what's trending in your country. Get inspired and dive into all the latest vibes. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the buzz. Coming soon, YouTube Shorts users will be able to see a sneak peek of the comments right from the Shorts feed. This could change significantly the way you review and measure your quality before uploading. Plus, in the YouTube app, you can choose show fewer shorts to tailor your experience just the way you like it. With these exciting updates, YouTube Shorts at 3 minutes will be a whole new experience compared to the old version. Let's dive deeper into a detailed comparison between this and what has already been on YouTube.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Also, if you want to start your business on YouTube in 2025, this is the perfect time to jump in. With all these fresh features, you'll have everything you need to unleash your creativity and really connect with your audience. Are you ready to make your mark and turn those ideas into something epic? Let's rock it. Here's a big picture you want to see. YouTube has revolutionized the way we consume video content. If you felt limited by the super quick pace of 1-minute shorts or find long-form videos too time-consuming to produce, this may be your sweet spot. Knowing the power of each format is your ticket to success. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal all the secrets, pros and cons of all the current formats on YouTube. Storytelling has long been the heart of great content, but today, it's more crucial than ever. In a world flooded with quick, disposable videos, the power to captivate through a compelling story is what truly sets creators apart. 1-minute shorts offer fast, short content, perfect for snapshots or quick tips, but they can feel rushed and limiting when it comes to providing more in-depth explanations. On the other hand, long-form videos are perfect for those deep dives into subjects, whether it's comprehensive tutorials, vlogs, or full-blown narratives. But let's be real, with videos stretching from several minutes to hours, it's easy to feel like you're watching a never-ending saga, where boredom or distractions sneak in faster than you'd like. And now, say hello to 3-minute shorts. It's the perfect balance, not too short to leave you hanging, and not too long to make you scroll away. Not all video formats are created equal when it comes to grabbing attention and keeping viewers hooked. But as YouTube finally cracked the code with the perfect balance, 1-minute shorts are all about getting straight to the point. Long-form videos are where you build those ride-or-die fan relationships. Viewers get to know the real you. It's the perfect setup for sharing personal insights, experiences, and expertise. However, the risk with long-form videos is that they can be tough to keep viewer retention and take more time and effort to create. 3-minute shorts hit that sweet spot right between 1-minute shorts and full-length videos. They give you enough time to build a stronger connection with viewers. It's like With this format, you've got the potential to pull in both the quick scrollers and the long-form loyalists.
Oh, well.
Could 3-minute shorts be the next big moneymaker on YouTube? Compared to the other formats, the new 3-minute short gives creators more time for monetization and engagement. With more room for call to actions, product integrations, and ads, they could potentially earn more than 1-minute shorts. So get ready. This upcoming feature might be the chosen one to dominate YouTube's algorithm. In this part, we will showcase our predictions on how this platform will affect YouTube soon. The previous 60-second limit on YouTube Shorts posed a challenge for incorporating ads, as the brief duration didn't allow enough room for mid-roll advertisements. However, with the new 3-minute format, the landscape shifts, offering potential for ad placements, much like we see with longer videos on the platform. Besides, expanded time means expanded creativity. The short video format often forces creators to condense their ideas into a limited time frame, which can result in content that feels rushed or overly simplified. With the new 3-minute limit, there's more flexibility to craft fuller, more engaging stories, helping your narratives connect more deeply with your audience. When YouTube Shorts first launched, it was a bit like the Wild West. Channels that weren't even focused on shorts found their content exploding in popularity. The extended time gives room for more ads to be placed in between engaging content, potentially increasing CPM and overall earnings for creators. In the first few months after this feature rolls out, the YouTube algorithm may give extra attention to these new, longer shorts. This isn't a long-term growth strategy, but early adopters could receive some serious benefits if they jump on the trend quickly. So if you want to try it out, this is the best time to start. That's it for today. If you are still interested in this platform, I'll cover more information and keep updating with you guys, so stay tuned to that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.